I'd like to show you how to use the Explore tool in Google Slides. The tool is located in the lower right-hand corner. So if I click on the button, a small preview window pops up on the right. The first thing it gives me is several different layout options. These are different from the standard Google Slides layouts. So I can pick something perhaps a little more colorful, maybe like that, and it will automatically change that slide. It will not change the entire presentation, however. I'll have to go to another slide to do that. And as you can see, I have some other options depending on what the content of the slide is. So Google actually analyzes what is on this slide and presents you with different options. This slide, for example, has an embedded video, and notice I don't have a lot of options, but this other slide just has some text, and I have maybe half a dozen or so different layouts to choose from. The other thing I can do from the Explore tab is I can perform a search. And this is a little bit of a hidden feature of Google Slides. If I type in a short phrase that I would like to search for and click enter, Google will automatically search 3 different ways at the same time. The first one is a web search, and this is an ordinary Google search. This looks a lot like the results I would get if I typed this same phrase into the Google search page. But it also automatically performs an image search. If I click on the Images tab, I get some pictures. And let's say I can click on one that I really like. That one looks interesting. I click on the plus sign, and it will automatically insert that image into my slideshow. And that's just with one click. And then I can, of course, resize it and move it around if I'd like to. The third option, and this is what makes it very useful, is it will also automatically search my Google Drive for that same phrase. And it turns out I do have some files on my Google Drive that contain these words, what is coding. And this might be very useful if I needed to open one of these files. Perhaps I wanted to cut and paste some information from one of these other files. So again, this is a really great hidden feature of Google Slides. Just by typing in one little place, I get a simultaneous web and image and Google Drive search. And again, you can find all of that here in the lower right-hand corner under the Explore tab.